So today we will discuss about median in the continuous series, how we can calculate the median in the continuous series, and we will discuss also the mode. So what is mode and how we can calculate the mode in the individual series and discrete series as well as in the continuous series. We will discuss today. Uh, I think last day we have discussed about median in the discrete series only, I think. So I will take in the data of this last day class, this one, the wages and the number of workers. Hello? Hello? Is it visible now? Hello, dear students.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, is it visible, this data?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I would take in the data in the last day. This one. So see, for example, I'm repeating from this one. So if they will ask that, find out the median wages of the following data set. For example, if they will give the data set like this one only, they will give. And with the data set like this, for example, in order to calculate the median, so this is a discrete series form. This data in the discrete series. Okay. So when we have the discrete series, we have follow the same formula, that is the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. So here n plus 1 by nothing but n is nothing but total number of observations. Here total number of observations nothing but total frequencies. This is called frequency. So here the total frequency is how much? 100. 100 plus 1, 101 by 2. 101 by 2 is 50.5. Okay. So when you are doing this kind of thing, so before n plus 1 by 2, so we need to do the CF. That is a cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency nothing but nothing but adding up simple frequency. Simple frequency nothing but 5. So 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 25, 40, 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus 15, 85, 85 plus 10, 95, 95 plus 5, 100. Is it clear how we can calculate the cumulative frequency? Okay, after getting that cumulative frequency, it should be same. For example, here, if you add this all the number of workers, it should be equal to 100, is same as 100. Okay, so then we get median is 50.5, but we need to get what is the median average of wages. So after getting the median of this value, so this value we will look at in which value it 50.5 lies. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే 50.5 ఉంది కదా, ఈ వాల్యూ అనేది ఎందులో ఉన్నది అనేది we need to see in the cumulative frequency. So 50.5 which lies in the 70. So here you can select this one. Okay. So here, so if you select this one, so the median average is 180 rupees. The median average for the labor is or worker is 180 rupees. 180 rupees. Okay. Is it clear now? Or shall I repeat? Hello? Dear students,
Clear,
is it clear?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you need to write that here it means the 50.5 of the workers are engaged at 180 wage rate. Okay. So ikkada endante you need to write the conclusion that 50.5 of workers, nothing but number of workers are engaged at 180 wage rate. Or here simply you can conclude that the median wage rate is 180. Median wage rate is 180. The median wage rate is 180 rupees. Okay. Is it clear now? The conclusion? Okay. So if it is complete, then we will move to the median continuous series. Median continuous series. So next one you can write. So just we can write another example. Another example. Another example. Calculate the median for a frequency distribution is as follows. Calculate the median for a frequency distribution is as follows. For example, they will ask the question like this. So I will show you the data also. Please, you can take this table also. Marks, frequency. Okay. 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 7 to 80, 80 to 90. Okay, we'll take then 2, 18, 24, 20, 8, and 3. Please take this one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would take this one. So here, see, when they will ask the question, they will calculate the median for the frequency distribution is as follows. So simple, if they will ask to calculate the median by following the data also they will ask. So when you look at the data, so it seems to be a continuous series. So from 30 to 40, 40 to 50, it seems the continuous series, not a discrete series. So when you have the continuous series, the formula is different. The formula is MD or median is equal to L. We can write L plus. So in the line of above, we can write N by 2. Just a minute, I will. N by 2 minus F So you can write it, just a minute. L plus n by 2 minus f divided by small f here into, not showing, just a minute, here into I. Okay, or else I will clearly show you, just a minute. And see, sorry for that late. So in the word also we cannot write a equation. Simple, say median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into I. This is a formula. So here, what is f? What is L here? We need to identify. There is a lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. Then n is nothing but total number of observations by 2. The Cf is nothing but where we can select a one value. That is a CF, cumulative frequency of the distribution. Cumulative frequency of the distribution. F is called a frequency. I is called class interval. Class interval width. How much width between the class of the 50 to 40? There is a 10. Like that. See, we can do what is L? Nothing but you can write also L is nothing but lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. N by 2 is nothing but total frequency by 2. Total frequency by 2 or total number of observations by 2. CF. So CF nothing but cumulative frequency of the previous, cumulative frequency of the previous. So here F is nothing but frequency at the median class. Frequency at the median class. Is it clear now? Hello? So here, see. So here, see, if they will ask question like this, see, what we have to do first, we need to understand n by 2. First, we need to do the first step is find out the n by 2. N by 2. N by 2. Find out the n by 2. Okay, first step is find out n by 2. N by 2. So n by 2 is how much? So how we can find out the n number observation? After calculating the CF also, we can calculate the frequency, total frequency called n. So first we need to find out the CF, cumulative frequency, that is the 2. Then 2 plus 18, how much? 20, 20 plus 24, 44, 44 plus 20, 64, 64 plus 8, 72, right? 72 plus 3, 75. So here the 75 by 2, how much? 37.5. So here, after find out that n by 2, 37.5, so we need to look at, so the 37.5 is where it lies in the cumulative frequency. 37.5 అనేది నంబర్ అనేది ఏ నంబర్ లో ఉంది క్యూములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ లో? ఇయర్ 44 లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దెన్ యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, సో after selecting this, so this is called F, this is called CF, cumulative frequency, and L is called 50. There's a lower limit of the class interval F and CF. See, when you go through this formula, see here, do not show. Okay, so we can keep here. See, then we need to follow a formula. Here only we can do it. See, L is nothing but lower limit of the class interval. What is the L is nothing but here 50. 50 is the lower limit of the class interval. So this is a class interval. So here the lower limit is 50, upper limit is 60 here. So L is for 50 plus n by 2 is how much? Already we calculated 37.5. Okay. Then minus CF. Here CF, sorry. CF is how much? Cumulative frequency of the preceding and nothing but previous. The 20. Then divide by F. F is how much here? 24 into high. I is nothing but high is equal to how much? Class interval width. The difference between the lower limit and upper limit is 10. Okay. So then you can, as it is, you can take 50 plus 37 minus 0.5 minus 20, 17.5 divided by 24 into 10. Then is equal 50 plus. So here we cannot add 50 plus 17.5. Only here we can do like this. Okay. Then 17.5 by 24. How much approximately comes under that 17.1 or See here 17.5 divided by 24. So here 0.72. How much it comes? 0.729. 0.729. 0.729 into 100 into 100. Then is equal 50 plus 0.729 into 100. How much? 7.2 come. Sorry. Where you done mistake here? Divide into 100 or else 0.7 into, sorry, here 10. Yeah.
Sir, 72.9.
72.9, right? 0.72.9 into 10. 7.29. Okay. Here 7.29. Then is equal to 57.29. So this is the answer. Then this is the answer. Okay. So simple, I'm repeating. See here, the only when we have that class interval, there is a continuous series data. So in order to calculate the median, the formula is MD is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Okay. Or else simple, you can go through the formula, this one, because it may be understood. This one, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by divided by F into I. Please write like this. Okay. So I'm unable to write in the Word file. So this is a formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into I. So L is nothing but lower limit. Here L is nothing but lower limit. Lower limit in the sense the class interval. Lower limit is 50. Then N by 2. N by 2 is nothing but total number of observations divided by 2. That is we got 37.5. And CF nothing but cumulative frequency of the previous one. Cumulative frequency of the previous one, nothing but 20. And F is nothing but this frequency. Okay. So here we need to substitute these values in the formula. That is L is nothing but 50. N by 2 is nothing but 37.5 minus CF. Minus CF nothing but 20 divided by F frequency 24 into 100. So 50 plus 37 point minus 20 is equal to 17.5. So divided by 24 into 100. Sorry, here 10. Sorry. Yeah, 10. So then here 50 as it is you can take plus 17.5 by 24. How much you will get? 0.729. Okay, into 10. Then after as it is you can take 50. So 0.729 into 10. So when you multiply with this number, so you will get 7.29. Then you can add 50 plus 7.29. Then the median value is 57.29. This is the answer. Okay. Is it clear now? Hello?
Sir.
Yeah. Clear? Shall I move to the mode?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Then go to the mode. Yeah. Is it visible now? See, next topic is a mode. So mode is nothing but here. Simple terminology, I will say that mode means which number is repeated again and again. Which number is repeated again and again in the data. Which number is repeated again and again. Okay. Simple here. The mode refers to that value in the distribution. What are the value they will give in the distribution which occurs most frequently? Most frequent nothing but which is repeated again and again. Which number is repeated again and again in the data is called mode. Simple in Telugu, where whatever they will give the data, in the data, if the certain number is repeated again and again, which number is repeated more times, that number is called mode. Okay. So it is an actual data, actual value, which has the highest concentration of the items, which has the highest concentration of the items in and around it. For example, see, when you take into account ungrouped raw data or raw data, see, for example, if you take 2, 7, 10, 15, 10, 17, 8, 10, 2. Find out the mode. How much you will get it? Which item is repeated again and again?
10.
So here, see, 10 is here once and 2 times and third time. So the 10 item, there is a 10 number which has repeated thrice. Okay, 3 times it has repeated. So that the median is, sorry, the mode is 10. The mode is 10. For example, if you take for example, mode. See, for example, I'm going to give another example. For example, if you in the internal marks, you will get 12 marks, one person, another person may get 8, another person may get 7, another person may get 5, another person may get 6, another person may get 7, another person may get 8, another person may get 9, another person may get 7, and another person may get 7, and another person may get 9. So here they will be like this. For example, before that, find out the mode by following the data. So for example, find out the mode by following the data set or raw data, for example. So by looking at this data, so what is the mode value?
7 and 8.
7 and how many times
8.
8 is repeated? 3 times. Okay. And 7 also repeated? 3 times. So for example, here there is a mode. For example, if it is repeated again, for example, 7. How much is the mode value?
7.
The mode is
4 times.
7 because the 7 number is repeated 4 times. Repeated 4 times, right? See, this number is repeated 4 times. That is why mode is 7. Simple, you can remember that. In the manual, they will ask the question, the theoretical. So what is mean by mode? If a data with the value which is repeated again and again in the data series. Okay, or which number is repeated again and again? Which number is repeated again and again? Here, say 7 is repeated 4 times. That is called mode. For example, 7 is deleted. For example, see. Then what is the mode now? 8, because 8 has repeated thrice, 3 times. Okay. For example, if you remove the 8 also here, what is the mode? Can anybody say that?
9 and 7.
9, because
9, sir,
9 is repeated twice. Okay. So here, which number is repeated again and again is called mode.
Sir, if the same number repeated equally, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. So if the same number is repeated, okay, that is called bimode class. Bimode class. For example, here earlier we repeated that 8 and 7, right? Okay, that is called bimode. That is called bimode. For example, here I can show you after
Yes,
enter
sir.
the data. 8, I think 8 is repeated twice, no? 9 is repeated. So here bimode. Bimode 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Or 8 and 9 are the bimode class. Bimode class. Yeah, clear? Okay. For example, can you find out, for example, next question. So find out the mode by following the data set. For example, 1, 6, 8, 9, 9. So what is the mode value?
Nothing, sir.
So because here,
No mode, sir.
here we
No
cannot
mode, sir.
find, here we cannot find out the mode because the number, any number didn't repeat again and again. Okay. Because numbers did not repeat it. Clear? Okay. Next, in the
Yes,
second series, this is the individual series, whatever we told earlier. Next one, discrete series. Discrete series. For example, can you say what is your packet money? PM, that is a packet money. For example, I'm saying, see, you can write PM nothing, but if you think of Prime Minister, packet money. For example, your packet money is 500. For example, maybe how many people they have the packet money is 50. Maybe you can think 20 members. For example, 20 members have their packet money is 500 rupees. So, for example, 600. Some people may have 8 members, 700, 800, 4 members. For example, 2000. Only one number. For example, see, when you have the data like this, for example, if I collect the information from you, for example, how much you are taking packet money from your parents in the per month. For example, see, the 500 rupees per packet month, per packet money. So majority of the people have taken the 500, right? Okay. So here the discrete series, the mode is how much? 500 only. Because the 500 is repeated more times, 20 times. Clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So if you are not understand, I will say in the clear, you not to understand easily. See, for example, if I ask you that what is your packet money 500. For example, next if I ask the people 500, next to another people 500, like this. So here 20 members say that their packet money is 500 only. If I ask the another people, they 8 members have said their packet money is 600. Only if I say if I ask one person, so the person told that their packet money is 2000. So if I enter like this, so after calculating that discrete series, so not easily I present it like this. But if you find like this, so the 500 repeats more and more times, which are equally 20 times. Okay. In that case, our packet money, the packet money is sorry. Here the mode is 500 because it is as repeated 20 times. Is it clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you need to take the data also. See here. Here you can write. So here the conclusion. Here mode is 500 because it has repeated 20 times. Okay. Or else you can write the mode is 500 because the 20 is repeated, the 500 is repeated 20 times. Or majority of the students, their packet money is 500 rupees. Okay, you can write you can write also like this. Majority of the students, their packet money is 500. You can write like this also. Majority of the students, their packet money is 500. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you have any doubt regarding to that or median in the class continuous series, and mode is a individual series and discrete series. These are the very easy mode in individual series as well as in the discrete series. So the time is not permitted to reach that mode in continuous series. It will take more time. So we have the only less than 2 minutes. So if you have any doubt and queries, ask me now. I will try to rectify it. Hello?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt?
doubt, sir.
Okay. How many students are attended? Only 7 students, huh? Okay. Shall I close the session now? If it is understood only, I will close the session or I will take the class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right.